extend those rights. Yes, it was. It's your decision.
Thank you.
Good morning. At least 9:30 calendar, Manuel Oliva.
All right, I'm here.
Your Honor, due to the fact that this person has a driver's license suspended, I would have requested a judicial viewing of this vehicle for the purpose of proving that the lights, which were the reason for the stop, were actually not blue or red, which is what is prohibited by the statute 316.2397.
You want me to go outside and look at the car?
Well, Judge, I would have requested a judicial viewing or at least an opportunity to bring you the headlight. They're actually very small bulbs that are placed on the windshield of the vehicle and under the hood. However, the client has indicated that he is requesting a short continuance in order to do that. For Your Honor, provide the lights so you to see them, and at that point I
Wait a
could...
second, Mrs. States, do you object to that?
Yes, Your Honor. The state is ready and has its
States,
officer
did you
here.
know that today was a trial day and that you're supposed to be burdened with to produce evidence today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, did you know that today was a trial day and that you were going to be burdened for producing evidence today?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Okay, you want a continuance because you haven't brought in a headlight or a photograph or you got a client that will testify, right? You got an officer who will cross-examine about the color of the lights.
For the record, Your Honor, the citation itself listed that the client was stopped and had a license suspended. On the very side of the citation, in bold and in small writing, Your Honor, it indicated blue light and hood. There was no indication at that time until we spoke to the officer this morning, my colleague, Mr. Haber, of exactly what that meant.
Right.
And the client indicated today that he is interested in bringing the lights to show, Your Honor, that they're actually a white light. The statute itself prohibits a red or a blue light. I understand.
Continuances.
Okay, Your Honor. In that case, I have advised the client to accept the offer as it has no jail time. At this point,
Where's the officer?
it's a withhold and court order.
It's in place. 517, find your papers.
Thank you, Your Honor.
May I help somebody else? All right, these are people that don't care to come
Sir,
forward.
I take it out.
Your Honor, he likes to address the court. Hable usted en español, por favor.
Le quité las luces en frente del oficial al carro.
Your Honor, in front of the officer, I removed the lights from the car.
All right. The client was driving with a suspended license.
Pero usted estaba manejando con la licencia
That's also
suspendida.
No me la dan en que la como no tengo
Your Honor, his concern is that because of his immigration status, they're still not issuing him a license. I've explained to him that, give an opportunity to
A
translate here.
usted por su situación de inmigración le han negado la posibilidad de obtener una licencia de manejar.
I've explained to him that as part of the plea, and the state attorney, I'm sure, will verify this, the attached citation will be dismissed.
De que entonces
He is accepting the plea
sería desestimada.
as to the driving with license suspended
Con la
charge.
licencia suspendida.
Well, dovetail on the last comment. I know that in this community there are a lot of recent immigrants into the country. It is an unfortunate circumstance beyond my control.
Situaciones que son fuera de mi control.
People such as yourself have
Y
difficulty
personas como
obtaining a
usted,
license, especially
nosotros
if you're
obtener una
to
licencia.
get to work, you need to have a car.
Y especialmente si usted quiere trabajar y necesita un
I
automóvil.
wish that I could fix all
Yo
those.
quisiera pudiera arreglar ese
Happy
tipo de
I can try
problemas,
to fix the
pero
problems that are in front of me.
yo no puedo resolver cada problema que viene ante mí.
There's a big one.
Es un problema grande, claro está.
Yo estoy aquí para
One
tratar
I
de resolver mi
really
problema.
can't comment.
Your Honor, I came here for the very purpose of resolving my problems.
Yo lo que le estaba pidiendo es una
What I was
aplazamiento.
asking you is just for you to give me
Para que me llegara
a continuation to see whether I could get
Mi residencia que
my residence papers,
y la licencia y
and
poder pagar
therefore
mi
then I
ticket.
would get my driver's license and then pay for my tickets.
Your Honor, in the alternative, that's why I made the motion
Por eso yo hice esa moción.
as to the actual lights, that being the reason he was stopped.
La razón por la cual fue parado.
I was reading into what you were saying, that there might be a motion to suppress because of an improper stop.
Porque
No,
la razón suya de que fue parado de
Ask
la
for that
forma
today's trial.
indebida y de eliminar esa
Tonight,
posibilidad.
I would ask for that. This other ground for continuance is you know, to try to get into compliance for a no process. That's a different story.
That's for the DWS, yes, Your Honor. If,
para ver si acaso se deja
Your Honor
sin
will
procesar su
consider that
caso.
his immigration status is right, he's indicating he's making steps towards that.
Pero él ha indicado que está tomando pasos para resolver su problema. Inminente.
It's really up to the state. The state has been issued to reduce the trial.
Your Honor, he's stating that in 2 weeks, he can have proof of residency.
State, I'm not interested in taking this
Yo
gentleman.
no estoy interesado en
He made to come into compliance. And I think that's a win-win situation. He's driving lawfully and he's asking for a 2-week continuance. You okay with our vacating the judgment and sentence for the purpose?
The defendant has not requested any continuances to this point. This would be his first one. If he can comply within a specified short amount of time, then yes.
What is his name again, because I had closed it out?
It's Manuel Oliva, and we would request 30 days just to be fair on the side of caution.
Okay.
That's 30 days is fine. Okay, thank you, State.
When you get 30 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Muchas gracias, le han concedido 30 días de aplazamiento.
All right,
Bien.
vacating the judgment and sentence. The matter is on defense continued for the purpose to come back with a good license. We'll put it on a report Friday of month.